In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a 3D model in Blender. Bringing an external model into Blender is quick once you know where to click, and Blender supports many popular formats like OBJ, FBX, GLB, and GLTF, STL, Alembic, and even SVG as grease pencil. Start by launching Blender on your computer. You can work right from the default scene or open an existing project if you have one in progress. Either way works perfectly. If you prefer a completely clean workspace before importing, you can remove the default objects. Press A to select everything in the scene, then press X or delete, and click delete to confirm. This clears out the default cube, camera, and light, so your imported model is the only thing present, which can make positioning easier. Next, go to the top left menu and choose File, then Import. You'll see a list of supported file types. This is where you tell Blender exactly what kind of model you're bringing in. You'll find options like Wavefront OBJ, FBX, GLTF 2.0 for GLB, and GLTF files, STL Alembic, and SVG as grease pencil. Pick the option that matches your file's extension. For example, choose GLTF 2.0 for a.glb or .gltf file, Wavefront OBJ for a .obj, or FBX for a .fbx. Matching the format ensures Blender uses the right importer and settings. Many importers include options on the right side of the file browser, such as scale or orientation. If you're not sure, the defaults are usually fine, and you can adjust later in the scene. Use the file browser to navigate to the folder that contains your model. Click the file you want to bring in so it's highlighted. When you're ready, click the import button in the upper right of the file browser. Depending on the file size and complexity, Blender may take a moment to process. If the model doesn't appear immediately in your view, don't worry. Look to the outliner panel, find the newly imported object or collection, select it, and press the numpad period key to frame it. This command centers the view on your selection so you can see exactly where it landed. From here, you can position the model in your scene. Press G to move it, R to rotate, and S to scale. For precise control, add an axis after the command. For example, press S and move your mouse to resize, or press G, then Z to slide the model up and down along the Z axis. You can use X or Y in the same way. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials.